A very good evening to everyone. I welcome all of you to this session where we are going to talk about which branch you should choose for M.Tech. Okay, and the agenda about here is very clear that we want to discuss about the future aspirants which are coming and they are going through this process of GATE 2027, their preparation journey, and we are going to discuss that what is the best branch that you should choose for your M.Tech. Okay, starting with here in this cases, the first branch is the computer science and engineering. Okay, now the computer science and engineering branch over here is having best branch right now in the current scenario. This is the one of the best branch that you are having with the top IIT, ISC offer M.Tech in CSE, data science, ML, and very strong placement package, that is 20 to 50 LPA. So if you are preparing for this, if you're preparing for this M.Tech course, then one of the branch that you should look forward is computer science, because if you once you get selected in computer science M.Tech program in different IITs, then the placement is not at all a problem for a good students. They are varying from almost 20 to 50 lakhs. Top recruiters here in this case is Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Qualcomm, Adobe, TCS Research and all. Okay, this as I am talking about for the IITs, best IIT and ISC. Even in NIT also, okay, even in NITs also. Good evening, Kedar. They are offering a very good, even if you look at the placement of, let's not talk about IITs, but triple ITs, top rank NITs. Okay, the CSE placement is always been above par. Okay, on par, above with all other branches. A glimpse here that if you are able to successfully get the admission in the IIT, and the glimpse is that you can see the packages over there they are offering in different IITs, and you see that okay fine, IIT Patna is you can say that newer IITs, but here you can see the packages all are above 20 lakhs. Okay, 20, 26, 27 lakhs. So the first branch of if you want to pursue your M.Tech, you should target computer science and engineering. Okay. Second branch that is more I'll say that give you more opportunities in terms of career option is electronics and communication engineering. Okay. Now why I'll say this, there is a more opportunity in electronics and communication engineering. The first one is that ECE students are more comfortable with the CSE, means the coding part there, it's not something that is they are unaware of, they lack, they are even strong, plus many more. Okay, plus many more, and in that case you can say VLSI and embedded system, signal processing and communication system. Okay, so you can see your technology, if you see all around you, you will find that these are more having practical applications. See, communication systems, so everyone is using communication system, everyone is using chip. A specialized program only few are using. Okay, so this is one thing. Second, why I'll say there's a very strong reason here in this case is the PSU plus private plus semiconductors plus research. PSU options are more for the electronics and communication branches. VLSI chip designs fields are booming in this case. Semiconductor is booming here. Again, if you talk about IITs, we are target, because I feel that you should target IIT, and if you're not targeting IIT, then fine. Even in the tier 2 NITs, triple ITs, their placement is also very good. I'll not say good, they are very good. Even one more option that is not visible over here is ESE. Okay, ESE option is not here in this case, but that option also you can explore. Okay, so this is one of the very strong branch. If you want to compare with CSE, still I feel that if once you get the command on the subject, electronic subject, then more opportunity will come in terms of government service as well. CSE is not lagging. That means it's not that CSE is not lagging here in this case. CSE is not lagging. Equal opportunities are coming, but yes, PSU opportunities are comparatively lesser. Okay, comparatively lesser than this. Now, Electronics offerings are there. You can see that these offerings are on par with CS computer science. Even in some, I think IIT Kanpur is offered here, in that case a better placement for CSE students. Next one is your electrical engineering. I'll come to your question. I'll come to your question here in this cases. Electrical engineering, there is a huge PSU, very strong PSU through GATE and NTPC, PGCIL and IOCL. Core plus control system plus power system is excellent stability, and top IITs, nowadays in this cases like robotics and AI in energy system also, there is huge application for electrical engineering. Okay, career options can be power engineer, control engineer, researchers and PSU definitely in that case. Packages are on par here. You can see that excellent packages offer for the electrical engineering. See, none of the branches you can say that having more packages for good students. Almost all packages for the electrical engineering students also are above 20 lakhs here in this case. Above 20 lakhs, in some cases maybe it's reaching up to 30 lakhs also. Mechanical, okay, if you are a mechanical engineering student, then you will find that the more options are available. Like, we agree that mechanical engineering opportunities is very less in private sector, and that is the strength of electronics and CSE, that more and more private players are there. So even if you not able to get success in, let's say, bigger companies, so smaller companies are there for your recruitment, and packages are not disappointing. Yes, mechanical engineering, very limited opportunities in the, it's not zero, limited opportunities in private sector, but PSUs are, you will find that every year PSU vacancies are more and more for the mechanical engineering. Recruiters, IOCL, HPCL, ONGC, ISRO, Tata Motors, Mahindra and DRDO. These are the main recruiters here in this cases, and you can see the packages are ranging around 10 lakhs to up to 20 lakhs here. So average packages you can see for mechanical engineering is little bit lesser compared to, but still good, still holds good here in this cases. The next branch is the civil engineering, the infrastructure development that is happening all around India, and it will be continuing in the coming years. So one of the core branches, one of the branch that is favorite was civil engineering branches, and EAC, more and more vacancies always there for EAC for civil engineering, plus PSU, and then government sector jobs are there. So if you're dreaming for PSU, then civil engineering is one of the you can say one of the branch that you can look forward. Okay, M.Tech is offered in structural, technical, environment engineering, and it give you the stable career here in this case. Structure engineer, project manager and government engineer. Mainly in that case PW and the highway constructions, this recruitment comes, and lot of vacancies comes in case of civil engineering in this. Packages are around 10 lakhs here in this cases. Maximum package offered in the IC Bangalore is around 13.25 lakhs plus, but the main thing is the stability. The stability is more because PSU opportunities are more in case of civil engineering branch. Now, this is also growing because of high demand in the PSU, especially in bar, control, instrumentation engineering are there. Also eligible for EE and EC based PSU. So if you are from instrumentation engineering, then this is for you. And few everywhere instrumentation is not been offered, but ISC Bangalore, Guwahati and Indore promising very good packages for the instrumentation engineering. So this is all our overall overview of how much packages they are offering for the different branches. Definitely you will find and compare that this branch is better, this branch is lesser. It's not like that. All branches having equal opportunities. Okay, all branches having equal opportunity depending what you required here in that case. What is your dream and what is your requirement? Requirement in a sense, what you are dreaming of. Chemical is another promising and high application, top recruiters, IOCL, ONGC, BPCL, HPCL, Reliance and Shell Systems. So these are very much different opportunities are available for chemical engineering. Great for PSU. If you're targeting PSU, your dream is PSU and core industry jobs. So all other branches other than, you can see that more and more opportunities, PSU opportunities are available for mechanical, electrical, instrumentations, chemical engineering and civil engineering. Research area, if you want to focus, then energy, nanotechnology and environment and biotechnology. These are the field that is upcoming over here in this cases. I'll come to you, Devashish, 1 minute. Now, chemical engineering packages are around 20 lakhs in different ISCs, that around 17, 9, 20, 5, 11 and 10.02. So, but this chemical engineering course is available almost all the IITs, which is old IITs, plus Dhanbad also in that. Now, this is one thing that is going to change the future, and it is, you can see that it is visible that everything has been changing around you, and that is none other than data science and engineering, data science and artificial intelligence analytics. Why futuristic explosive growth? You can see all around you, the market is changing, the people, how they approach their work is changing, everyone is including AI in their life, AI application in the life, and this will grow. Okay, so now in this case is data science, AI, ML, big data, business analytics. These are the different specialization that is possible. Top recruiter, top companies that you can dream of: Google, Amazon, Nvidia, Flipkart and JP Morgan's. Right now PSU scope is very limited. Okay, right now there is a PSU scope is very limited, but we are expecting that sooner, 1 or 2 years down the line, there will be more and more opportunities will come for this data scientist. Okay, so one of the fastest growing branch, you can say, is the data science. Peoples are understanding, opting for it, and we will be needing more and more analytics data engineer, data science engineer in the future coming 2 to 3 years. Now, average packages is pretty high. You can see that maximum package is 28 lakh, 29, 17. So different IITs are getting different packages for this data science and engineering. Now that ends the first segment. Which branch you have to choose for this M.Tech program? It's an overview when you're planning for your M.Tech, and for 2027 definitely you can choose different, but choose it wisely. Focus on your interest. Don't go by the what others are saying, then okay, take that branch. Later it becomes very difficult to take admission and then get the package. PSU required your branch, like if your B.Tech is from the chemical engineering, then if you are dreaming for PSU, it is not possible that you opt for CSE and you can use that scorecard for the chemical engineering. It will not happen. So chemical engineer, give the gate examination in chemical engineering, PSU will take the gate score of chemical engineering in that case. A few questions. Shall I focus on the mid-tier IITs? Like mid-tier IIT, they are no longer mid-tier IITs. Okay, Devashish, let me confirm this to you. IIT Indore and IIT Hyderabad has now come out of the, stop calling them mid-tier IITs, because if you want to take the CSE, M.Tech CSE in the Gandhinagar or Indore, 740, 745 scores are required. Okay, so around 745 score is required for Gandhinagar and IIT Indore. They are no longer, okay, no longer those IITs are mid IITs as you are saying them. Okay, as you are calling them basically. Yeah? So they are no longer mid tier. Okay, or let's say focus on this. Sir, is there any integrated PhD program in IITs? Yes, there is an integrated PhD program. I think every IIT is having PhD plus M.Tech program. But understand here in this case is that for IITs, the program that offer will be testing your research skill as well. Okay, so M.Tech plus research program is available almost in every IITs. Is there any? Yes. Good evening, Hemant. Okay, good evening, very good evening to you. Now, Vishwaz Divas is one of the occasion where that is for the student that is believe in PW, and PW really celebrate this event, the Vishwas Divas, in as much as in a grand manner. Okay, so the Vishwaz Divas is on, and you can see that in every possible course there is a huge discount is going on. One of the major announcement for this Vishwaz Divas is that we are launching program for the first year student. Okay, first year student Nirmaan. Okay, we are launching here in this case is this Nirmaan GATE 2029. So those students which are targeting GATE 2029, we are launching a batch for 2029, Nirmaan 2029. It's a 3-year structured program, okay, plus 1 year extra rank booster validity. That means you will be guided by us, the experts, 3 years. We will make your foundation strong. We will make you strong that you can take any challenges, and in this 3-year period we will set strong foundation so that you can achieve your dreams. Validity is 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4 years, and the offering here in this case is only in 32,000. Okay, so first year semester wise classes, recorded plus live lectures, recorded lectures for the semester, test series with video solution, mentorship personalized way, Khazana, that is a pool of or different recorded lectures, you can access them. DPPs will be available, regular tests will be there. If you want to really shape up your career, then this is the batch for you. If you are just starting your journey, your engineering journey, then I think if you associate with this particular batch, then I think that will lay a very solid foundation, and you will be, able to achieve your dreams. Okay, most important is this course is semester aligned. Okay, so with this batch you can still prepare with your preparation. Now, in this event of Vishwas Divas, you can see that there is a huge discount that has been offered for all EAC and GATE batches, which is 56%. Huge discount is going on for all the batches which belongs to CSE, EAC and GATE 27 and 2028. You can see those offerings over here, and these offerings, these are the original price and the discounted price for every batch, whether it is mechanical, whether it is CS, chemical, computer science, CS, environmental, production and aerospace engineering. Okay, this is not sorry to say, but this is not a counseling session is not going on here. The purpose of this this session is different. It may be possible, Devashish, that it may be possible that you can get the in a spot round. No? Spot round, it is possible. Okay, 730 is your score. It is possible. Okay, it is possible, and I'll suggest that you take the admission. Okay, you take the admission here in this case. Same price drop for EAC courses. You can see that the price, original price is 35,999, and the course is available in 17,999 in this case. So limited time offer, and if you're really planning your examination for 2028, then you can, this is the batch for you. This is the batch for you if you're planning for it. Another biggest surprise, biggest announcement is the Khazana, the GATE Khazana is a pool of all the video lectures of different faculties. If you are purchasing the batch, understand that this offering is 11, is not a independent offer. If you are purchasing a batch, you can add this GATE Khazana for just rupees 11. This is an add-on. Okay, this is an add-on. It is not being offered in this price, but if you are purchasing a batch, definitely you can get the Khazana access for 11 rupees. Mains batch, if you have already qualified for the EAC mains batch is there. Test series with free with this batch, and in this this has been offered for 2,999. Okay, EAC mains 2026 batch for mechanical, civil, electrical and electronics students, and the class is started already 9th March. Today is I think 13th, so class has been already started here in this case. Now the test series, if you are only interested in test series, and which is free over here, that is 2,999, and if you only want to opt for EAC mains test series, then 2026, then that is for 2,000 rupees. and this is 17 tests are there, with the 8 full length test is 8 and the part test is 9 here in this case. We will be very happy if you share your result, and we will definitely, because definitely your success is our success, and if you are celebrating your success by sharing the result, we can also celebrate your success. So if you are having any result to share related with EAC pre 2026, then definitely scan this and share the result with us. Okay, now you can follow us in different channel, and for computer science, civil, mechanical, CSIT, you can scan and join for the latest updates which is going on regarding PSU notification, regarding your GATE, your preparation. So you can join this Telegram channel, so you will be updated. Okay, on that note, this ends from my end. Now I can take your question if you have any. Sir, can you please tell us interdisciplinary courses like management study? But management studies, I have no idea, to be honest. Okay. EC Journal, VLSI in top ITs. Score, based on score, I can say top ITs, if you are expecting, your score must be greater than 60 marks. I have no idea. Again, for ECE, I cannot comment. I belong to CS branch, but 60.33, if you can say score, then I can give you a better idea. Okay, Kavita. If you give me your score, then I can say, because I think that around 750 to 800, that is my estimation, but again, I am not a right person to comment on this. So that is all I think. Management, I am not, one is there, one college is there in Bombay, Mumbai, NEET, NIET, I guess that is offer management course based on the GATE score. Okay, so that is one college where you can take the admission. Okay, on that note, I'll say, Hemant is asking, sir, is that choosing digital electronics in M.Tech will be the best course? Digital electronics M.Tech, again, but mostly people are interested in VLSI, communication, signal processing. Digital electronics, if it is digital signal processing, then yes, it is one of the good course, I can say, but the best courses are definitely VLSI. You are asking that if you are not getting the VLSI here in this case. Okay, thank you all of you. On that note, I'll say goodbye to you for this evening, and I'll see you with next update, what are different updates are available. Thank you all of you.